Good morning. I am here to present my project Security Management through Advanced Iris Recognition, and this is presented by students of Wiltech Multitech. And we have a certain batch members with us, Vanishri and myself, Rukmani. And this project is done on behalf of Bachelors of Information Technology. And I would like to thank our college chairman, Dr. Rangarajan, and also our guide, Jabrani, and also other staffs who helped us and guided us. From the name of Security Management through Advanced Iris Recognition, we might have an idea of recognizing the iris. Nowadays, biometric authentication is a very familiar authentication systems used in security systems. In this, the major flaw faced by current status is presence of lenses. To detect the presence of lenses, we have enhanced this project. Already, iris recognition is in existing, and what differs from the existing system is we store all the images as codes so that the security and privacy will be efficiently increased. And the other thing is this project increases the database efficiency and detects the presence of lenses. Nowadays, the presence of lenses creates a big threat to the existing system, because more number of market sellers, manufacturers provide different types of textured lenses. So this poses a very big challenge to the existing system. Initially, as I have told about iris recognition system, this is the major more used biometric authentication system nowadays. And scope of a project is very wide, since it is already proven that in biometric authentication systems, morely 90% people prefer for iris recognition system. And mainly this project is made for bank lockers and other security systems. The need for this project is that false iris images are given to the security system, and they can easily cheat the iris recognition system currently present. The major thing which is used to cheat the iris recognition system is that presence of contact lenses and textured lenses, and it poses a very big challenge to the existing system to recognize the presence of lenses, and it has been rectified in our system by using grayscale method. And through the literature survey of performance of iris identification algorithms and all, we found very more new ideas of algorithms and combining of algorithms. So we used candidate detection algorithm, lens detection algorithm, k-means algorithm, and other things. But in our project, k-means algorithm doesn't play a major role, since KM algorithm saves the images as templates, which is a very big drawback. Once an intruder tries to get into the system, it will automatically show the templates, or the images can be easily retrieved. According to the literature survey and other researchers, what we made on the project is that gives us an idea that current existing system, we have four types of existing systems, which is a traditional system and cancelable biometric keys and biometric key transformation. In these existing systems, there are various problems which are faced in the systems. Initially, it stores the images as templates, so that an intruder can easily get gain the images back. But in cancelable system, it uses it uses biometric systems for decryption and encryption process. But even though it uses a token system, if a person loses the token, it becomes very difficult for him or her to change the password. And another type of system says that even after merging cryptography is used, that system imposes some burden to the user. And finally, the current existing system is that biometric key release, and in this system cryptographic method is used even though noises in irises are not detailedly classified. This is rectified in our system by using a median filter. And propose a system, as I said, for storing the codes, we have to undergo certain processes: normalization, segmentation, and other processes. Normalization is grayscale. Initially an image is gained through the scanner, and it is scanned. Firstly, it is converted into a grayscale image, so that colored lenses, those problems will be rectified and security system will be enhanced. And later on, the edges are calculated, and it is smoothened using median filter, so that the noise is present the iris, like nighttime redness, so those things are rectified in the median filter. And after median filter, it is converted into, and its sharpness are increased, so that the edges are found through the Candice detection algorithm. And after that, it undergoes a half transformation. Through that, we'll calculate a Hamming distance. After that, we'll produce a code by combination, which is our own method of producing a secret key, which is a combination of account number and pin number, and also the image codes. Hamming distance are combined in a separate method, which is a secret method, to gain the secret codes. These secret codes are stored in the database. Even the back-end user of even the dealers who are using this biometric authentication methods, they'll not be knowing the person's code directly. Only the developer can know the method. Even after storing that, we cannot retrieve the thing. This is the advantage of proposed system: high security and privacy through storing the codes, and increasing the efficiency, and high speed is implemented. And these are the hardware and software requirements of a project. And this is the system architecture. As I have told you already, iris image is gained first, and then it is converted into grayscale. Later on, canny edge detection algorithm is used. Localization is done to calculate the inner PIP and outer PIP. The main advantage in this project is automatic threshold value is adjusted. We'll be giving in between value, so that according to the zoom view or the pixel range or the clarity of the camera, the image captured will be calculated, and the threshold value will be adjusted. Finally, after segmentation, once the image is stored in the database, existing user is scanning it, it'll only match the code in the database, present in the database. Only if the code is present, then the authentication will be given. This is the data flow diagram. This is the procedural data flow of our project. Image acquisition, localization, adjustment, checking whether present in the system or not already present, then it is stored in the database. Finally, an existing user is getting into the system, so it will get a feature extraction. Feature extraction is nothing but a Hamming distance. Then it will match. Finally, it will authenticate. If else, it will go to the initial step, image acquisition. These are the algorithm processes involved in this. Image conversion is grayscale conversion, that is done by this method. Then edge detection, Threshold value, only the image edges are calculated only if it is above or at the threshold value. Below threshold values are neglected. And this is the salarial image. Reduction of inner pupa and outer pupa. Hamming distance is calculated, then matching is done. Finally, our project says that this is compared to existing system, it is more efficient in scanning and creating a secure process, and privacy of the user is maintained here. And these and our project will be looking like this, and these are the snapshots of our project. Initially we'll go to the home page. As far as it is based on the ATM system, so for bank lockers it will be designed like this. Once an existing user is giving the account number to log in, and this is for the new users. Once you give since we cannot show the scanner here, we are getting an image from the database, and we are scanning, and it will scan like this, and we have to give a name, and finally the image will be scanned like this. Initially unscanned eye is converted to grayscale, later median filter, and pupil center detection, then finally canny edge detection using Xelera image. And half transform is to convert the inner pupa and outer pupa, and by removing the eyelashes we'll find the hamming distance. Once the image is scanned and try to match, if the user is present, it will lead to one page. And this is how our user login will be. We can check the balance, deposit, withdraw. We can change even user profile details, so that it will not keep a burden on the user. This will be the process to withdraw money, and even we can deposit the money. Once the image is not matched, it will show a message like this. And these are the reference papers we have gone through. Thank you.